Cut out the first few words and I keep on thinking. There's not much I can say to keep this from sinking. The bend that I'm in will begin and I'll start spinning. Come out the other end with a habit for winning. Still, I keep a lasting kind of hope that still we have more room to grow. It's cold, it's dark, it's late, and my eyes are sinking. I want so bad to rest, but I can't stop thinking. The times in my life it was hard to keep me from grinning, and I hope that the end is kind, just like the beginning. Still, I keep a lasting kind of hope that still we have more room to grow. Wait for the last few words, but then I stop thinking. I'd stay for the last few bands, but I've been drinking. It's a long walk home on the ice, and I might be sliding. But when I get home, I'm safe and I can keep hiding. Still, I keep a lasting kind of hope that still we have more room to grow. And still, I keep a lasting kind of hope that still we have so far to go. You called me from South America, said I should keep my quiet stamina. Pushed your way in, took advantage of some medicine, and gave me some shit about feeling like a citizen. Oh no. Well, it makes me sick when I feel like a hypocrite, and all I can say is that it's not deliberate. But I can't hate the bend when I know it all comes back around again. Oh no. And I can feel you look at me, that look you give to those you meet who never seem to find the pavement changing their state line. I've crossed 1,000 times, hoping she would just be kind, but I was always late, and she was always right on time. called me from South America, said I should keep my quiet stamina. Pushed your way in, took advantage of some medicine, and gave me some shit about feeling like a citizen. But it makes me sick when I feel like a hypocrite, and all I can say is that it's not deliberate. But you can't hate the sound when you know it all comes back around again. Oh no. And I can feel you look at me, that look you give to those you meet who never seem to find the pavement changing their state line. I've crossed 1,000 times, hoping she would just be mine, but I was always late, and she was always right on time, right on time. Oh. From South America, said I should keep my quiet stamina. Oh no. I was day drinking with my dad, and I can barely remember what we said in regards to the day or the dive I was finding myself in. If I brought it up, I'm sure that he listened. What I thought was home wasn't always a side that I could reach, but I could have tried harder. Stuck in a way that wouldn't cost too much to say I'm at a loss, and that I hope that this wind just keeps blowing. And I soon find out just where I'm going. I was day drinking with my dad, and I can barely remember. I think we talked all about yesterday, and I could tell that it hurts getting older. Like a leaf that knows it's just getting colder. Oh, and what I thought was home wasn't always a side that I could reach, but I could have tried harder. Stuck in a way that wouldn't cost too much to say I'm at a loss, and that I hope that this wind just keeps blowing. And I soon find out just where I'm going.
feel like shit, when I look like a liar, when I wake up to show that I'm still tired. And I know it's hard to say, and I knew it would turn out this way. And it's understood that I don't know how this goes. When it starts to go down, if I'm even alive, I just hope there's some time to clean up my lines. There is so much to say and so little time, so I'll say what I can.